My 3 most important requirements when buying a tent this time, I wanted an easy, fast setup and tear down, quality tent, and plenty of room. I have other things by this Fantik brand, and they've been really good. And so I thought we would just go with this one. We have a family of 4, and I have 3 dogs. So we went with the 10-person because between all your sleeping bags and your gear, and then with the dog stuff as well, I feel like we just need the space of 10. It is, as you can see, my husband is the only one setting this up. I wanted to do that on purpose so you can see that it can be set up easily just with one person. Do you see how all he's doing is clicking the first lower bar in, and then you just need to click the top bar in by the roof? Next, you would just need to put in the stakes. Then I want to show you a little size demo. So for example, my son is 5'5", and he has his arms stretched way up, cannot touch the top. So if you were a much taller person, you should be able to stand in this no problem. Again, he is 5'5", and then it fully zips up, right? So there's going to be your doorway. You can either zip it up halfway, unzip it all the way, and it zips on the bottom. This is your rain/sun cover, and it's kind of windy today, but all you have to do with that is put it over the top, and then you see those hooks right there? You just hook it around each side. So there's just 4. So that was really simple as well. This is what it looks like once the rain cover is all on. So there is just one door in this, but once you walk inside, what's kind of nice is there's 4 windows. So there's 4 mesh windows. So that kind of makes up for only having the one door. As you can see, the windows are easy to zip and unzip. This tent is water resistant. So it has a 1500 millimeter water resistant rating. It does perform well in the rain, and the door zipper has a drainage channel to prevent water accumulation. What we just put up next was the room divider, which is really nice. So if you want to have like parents on one side and kids on the other, or however you want to do it, it's kind of nice to have that room divider. It's super spacious on the inside. Here's also pretty cool. So you can hang a light from this or some kind of lantern from this, and then also use that as a little storage area for gear. So this is what they call your gear loft. As for windy days, this tent can withstand winds up to 35 miles per hour. Even though we did not set this tent up in 60 seconds, it is an easy setup, and the process was under 10 minutes for sure with one person. So personally, I'm very happy with that. So breakdown is just as important as setup, as you want that to be easy as well. So all he's doing is going around, and you have, again, your 2 poles. So that one on the top and then the one on the bottom. And just pinch and close that, and you're going to want to do that on each side. The next step is then to fold each corner in. So you're just going to fold it in so it all meets in the middle, nice and neat, and then that way it'll be easy for you to roll up. Even though this is a 10-person tent, it's nice because it will roll up so nice and tight that you will have no problem. This would fit in the trunk of a car or any kind of compact vehicle. I do want to mention this is a 3-season use tent. The temperature rating goes down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can actually really withstand really, really cold weather, just not like blizzard condition, absolutely freezing cold weather. The Rainfly provides an extra insulating layer. The carbon steel frame holds up in cold, windy conditions. This tent is made well and will do a good job protecting you from the elements. Make sure when you're rolling it up to try to get all the air out and squish it down as good as possible to make it fit in this duffel bag here. Make sure when you're packing it up, you have all the provided gear. So the welcome mat, the gear loft, your rain cover. You're going to have also your stakes bag. And then you just pack everything in this duffel bag here, and that's it. So now all you need to do is go camping, get away from all the technology, and have a great time.